Excluding components from sectioning. Typically, when we create a section, there's certain things by drafting standards that we just don't place in there. Those things are things like fasteners. So if I had actually drawn a bolt in here, I would not show it. I also don't show anything like screws or pins and any thin wall objects. So things like a gasket would not be shown. So if you selected your model and it's in there, what we can do is we can go up to our edit components. And so when we go to edit components, it says select components. And I'll just pick on this component and I'll hit enter. And then it gives me a choice. Hey, is this part of the section or is this none? So if I selected on the fastener, I would say it's none. Or if I selected on the gasket, I would say it's none. And it would remove it from the section. The option for the slice, if we choose that, it will create a very thin section at our section line. So therefore we don't see any of the visibility of the objects behind it. So it just like gives us a thin slice of our section line. So this allows us to control. Right now the section is the main part, which is what I want. But if I had a fastener, I could pick on that fastener and say none, and it removes it from our sectioning and does not show it. Therefore, we don't have to delete the fastener from our model, which we wouldn't want to do, but we don't typically show, by standards, we don't show fasteners, screws, pins, anything thin like, say, a gasket or a shim.